and they're being weird, and I feel very awkward.
No one's being weird except you.
So we are in Gallenberg right now,
This is like the best place
and if this
ever.
is
Oh my
really
gosh.
shaky, I'm sorry. My hands are so
Right?
shaky.
My face
Oh,
looks great.
I think it's post.
Oh,
That's so sad. Oh my gosh. We'll have to.
so
It's good. It's from this one. It fell off. I swear.
they're they're now. She's eating a flower petal.
What?
Eating a flower
I
petal.
know, my skin looks super like sunburned.
I know.
In this.
Compared to me, you look like you don't even have a sunburn.
Your phone is so cracked.
I know. Well, it's my screen protector.
Emergency. Ow.
Oh no.
This is the only thing I don't like, but I
Did you buy those actually? Okay.
No, really, I
She stole
stole them.
I didn't even think about it. I just thought you kind of just walked out. Yeah, cause that's a normal thing for her. So. I'm kidding.
It's like,
It's like she
have to, like-
steals. I know.
What? How are you holding
such
that?
a-
She's like holding. You have to like.
I hold
it
it really
like
weird.
this.
I'm sorry. It's easier.
Oh,
on
this
my
is
phone.
friends
Everyone
though.
in the shot. You idiot.
Yeah, you're not. You're just like.
I'm not a vlogger, okay? No, I'm not. I'm not a vlogger, okay?
There was this candy store and we got flavored
Plus, it's
honey.
really awkward because people are watching, so it's just like I don't.
Turn it off.
Turn up in your brain song.
She looks so good in those, honestly.
What?
You look so good in those glasses, okay? We are at the island.
Mm-hmm.
We were on the boat all day, and I got extremely sunburnt. My shoulders hurt like crazy. I look like a tomato. Oh, I like this one. California.
Yeah, where it's home. I bought this on topic. I bought a lanyard and I bought some buttons.
Anyways,
Next one, cause
I got some pens too, but they're really hard.
yeah, and I got some of these. I'm getting
So we were out in the boat all day, and then we went out to an outlet mall and hung out there for like an hour. And then we went to another store, and now we're here at the island. I think that's what it's called. And they're being weird, and I feel very awkward.
No one's being weird except you.
like if you just went like, I would like. It's Bailey, the psycho murderer. It's Bailey, she'll kill you all.